Jason Dewall with Whitecap. I'm here with my buddy Brittany. Brittany's going to tell us a few secrets about this breaker kit they have back here.
Absolutely, so we're excited. It's another very first to world cordless breaker on the MX Fuel platform. This breaker is going to get you the most productive, so you're actually going to be able to break more concrete, all with 70% less vibration while they're operating.
Okay, so a lot of our end users, they talk to us about vibration when they're talking about this type of tool. So can you speak to how you guys have addressed that issue?
So this entire head here is actually a floating head. Takes all of that work off of your arms while they're using it. But not only that, it's actually the lightest breaker in class. So all of that really helps to get rid of that fatigue.
Oh man, that's perfect. We hear that all the time from our end users. They just want to be able to get this thing around, have it be light. That's perfect. Thank you so much. Brittany from Milwaukee, Jason Dewall again with Whitecap. Stop by the store, come check this thing out.